doesn't flush.
Hiya, I'm sat in the doghouse, in our guest house, sorry, with Drake, because Drake is one of those, Fiona's right at the peak of the heat, so Drake and I are hanging out in Formidable, aren't we, Drake? But I thought that's a good time for me. It's raining, not much to do outside, otherwise we'd be outside. I thought I'd show you Formidable. This is where all our woovers stay. At the moment, there's no one staying. We have 4 cabins, plus we have 4 beds. Yesterday, we went and picked some more beds up. There's games, there's tables, there's bathrooms. Yeah, so this is where our movers stay, or our guests. If you want to come on a holiday here, have a holiday, this is where you'll be staying as well at the moment. That's what we've got. And with the past 2 weeks, I've had 2 movers. One, David, he didn't want to be on any of the videos. And one, let me introduce you to our new mover, to our Neue Woofer. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello, I'm Takaya from Japan. I'm gonna stay here for 1 week.
And it's very impressive already. Takaya didn't read our profile, which is good to read, but so he came with 2 big suitcases.
My dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny, well, you might think it's funny, but my dad's Dunny doesn't flush.
But Takaya impressed me very much. He brought those 2 suitcases up all by himself, full of determination to learn. Wow.
Yeah, my dad's Dunny's full of dirt.
And what we've been doing in the past 2 weeks since we've last talked to you, we've had 2, it's been 2 weeks, we've had 2 helicopters.
Smelly red alert. Don't worry about the germs, cause they're eaten by the worms. Yeah, cause my dad's Dunny's full of dirt. Yeah, my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny, well, you might think it's funny, but my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny grows fruit trees, breaking down your business so there's no chance of disease.
Now, the helicopter's beam has come. Glad is now on 2 weeks holiday. The 2 of us, we went yesterday to get rid of all the rubbish and stuff like that.
It's safer and it's clean to turn brown into green. That's why my dad's Dunny grows fruit trees. Yeah, my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny doesn't flush.
But otherwise, we've now got 2 new cities, Tokyo and Osaka.
My dad's Dunny, well, you might think it's funny.
Da links ist Tokio und rechts ist Osaka.
But my dad's Dunny doesn't fly.
Anyway, have a look. This is the 2nd update of the year 2024. And welcome to Drieschta.
Well, he never needs a plumber, cause the Dunny's never blocked. Fertilizer for the garden, well, the pile is always stocked. Just chuck some sawdust on your number 1s and number 2s. Then sit back and admire all the water you don't use. Cause my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny doesn't flush. My dad's Dunny, well, you might think it's funny, but my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. I said my dad's Dunny doesn't flush. Yeah, my dad's Dunny doesn't flush.
And we've moved the goats twice. Yeah, really?
Goat, goat, goat. Goat, goat, goat. Goat, goat, goat. Goat, goat, goat.
Now we're going to go get the goats. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're going to take the lead.
Goat, goat, goat. 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 Goat, goat, goat.
Well, you've seen the last 2 weeks been great. The 2 movers we've had a brilliant start to any moving season. Behind us, we have achieved big things.
Yeah, indeed.
Indeed, the two of us, we've achieved big things. I don't know, do you work with movers? I could highly recommend it. If you want to come and live in Drieschta, I'm still looking. We're still looking. We want to grow, be a community. And yeah, you can have your own movers as well then. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Any comments you've got, any questions you've got, anything you want to know more about, just asking the questions down below, comments down below, and like it, and don't forget to subscribe.
Go, get it, get it, go, get it, go, get it, get it, go, get it, get it, go, get it, go, get it.
ご視聴ありがとうございます。よければチャンネル登録、高評価、コメントよろしくお願いします。Yeah.
Danke.
Bye
Bye. Cheers, mate. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.